Hi, this is Tony from New Dimension Cleaning and Protection, and we had a look at a Stark rug here. This is wool and viscose made by Stark, and it is from the Fossil collection, and it's a beautiful rug. We treated it with our fabric protection, and we're going to pour some red wine on it. A designer wanted to know about the red wine and then the feel and texture afterwards. Can this wool and viscose be wet cleaned? And so let's get going. We'll throw some red wine onto this rug. We'll pour it right here. And oops, it's kind of skating away. I guess my table isn't level. We just lift up the rug and we'll be able to roll it right back there. Notice it's not leaving any type of stain. It's just moving around. Should be able to just blot it up. Let's try blotting it up. Take some paper towels. A little bit will get caught in between the fibers. We'll just keep blotting. We'll get it up. And notice there's no stain left behind. A little bit there in the middle. Let's just get another paper towel. Don't want to keep trying to push in the wine. Get a fresh towel. You can get all these little spots out. If it's something that really gets pushed in there, you might have to use a hot water extractor to get it out, or even a wet towel sometimes works. Now we were asked, can you actually wet clean this? So here we are spraying water on it, and there you can see the water going up the hose, up the upholstery tool, and we're showing you that you can. It's not changing the texture of this rug. It's a beautiful rug. Again, I said it was made by Stark, and it's wool and viscose, and it just has a great feel to it. So if you want to get a rug that looks great for the room, great feel, please think of this Stark rug. A New Dimension for all your cleaning and fabric protection needs. Thank you.